Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for October 29, 2020. If you look at here, that is the SPY daily chart. So the market yesterday they pulled back down and today they pull back up. So right now we are testing the level of support here. So if the market be able to hold up here, we need to have another follow through tomorrow with another bullet candle to put it back up to the upside. So right now there are two scenarios that the market they can do. Look like they try to build a triangle here. So if they can hold up here, tomorrow put it back up, we will go up to the upside. But if the market it won't be able to hold at this level of support, and then we can continue to retest the support in this level. But this candle here, that's the inside bar candle here. So tomorrow here, if we give us a bullish candle, then the market it can turn around. The first thing that they will test the gap that where they open up here. So step by step, and then we can see we are only a couple more days before the election. So the market it still kind of try to find the direction. But overall, the trend is still bullish, so the market will find a way to put it up in the future. So no need to be panicked at this moment. A lot of people keep saying that the market is going to go down here. Looks like that's not the case. Okay, so yet stay calm and then see where the market heading to. And if you look at the ES, immediate SP 500, so after hour, if today they come back down, they push back up right into resistance, they come back down at the last minute. So right now they give it the dozy here. So this candle here very important. So tomorrow if this one be able to push it back up with a follow through candle, and then the bull still be able to put it back up to the upside. Okay, so after hour the market will still go sideways, but if they can hold up here later and overnight they can push it back up, then that could be a bullet formation for tomorrow. So today market push back up right into the resistance, and the seller is still coming in. As long as we still below the downtrend line here, we are still in the correction. Remember that. Okay, so if you are a day trader, you can see that today in our live trading room every morning, when the market open, 15 minutes before the market open, we analyze on the chart. So we set up the direction so that our member they will know where the market is heading to. So when the market open today at this level, we know that it is the bullet. So everybody get in and then take a first trade for almost 26 point here, and then they take a profit right at a sell zone here, and then they pull back down, and then they take another trade. So if you are a trader on the first the 60 minutes, you can make 35 point again, and on the ES, that $50 per point per contract. So you can gain quickly at $1,750 for the first hour trading. And after that, market goes sideways after the lunch time, and after that, after 11, the market will push up, break out the sell zone and continue to the upside and hit another sell zone, and then they give up into the last minute. So the market is still very choppy, but overall they still hold up this level very well. So let's see overnight what the market is going to do, and then we can inform you again. So that's the overall how the market look like. And let's take a look at on the couple of stocks that we mentioned on the weekly market forecast on the weekend. Let's see how they're doing. So a couple of stocks on the retail sector, they get slammed very hard because more coronavirus happen everywhere. There's more shutdown in Europe. So, but a couple of strong stocks like UA and more, they pull back, but they hold up very well, and they try to find a way to put it back up again. And a lot of stock in the internet communication sector, like Facebook. Okay, Facebook is still hold up very strong, even though they pull back last couple days at the market, it's slammed it down, but they try to go back up again. Okay, and Google, they also come back down last couple days, but they run back up, and then today they have a good earning, so this one had already jump up already, so they will try to find a way to put it back up again. um, a lot of talk like in the semiconductor, AMD, they bought out Xilinx, so they coming down, and then they probably follow support here and try to put it back up again. And Xilinx, which is bought out by AMD, they shoot it up and then they pull it back down and retest. So tomorrow, if they still hold up momentum, but the trend is still in the upside. A lot of casino and hospitality is still get a problem because more coronavirus, there's more problem. But some of the names that we mentioned on the weekend, like MGM, they hit to the resistance, but they pull back down, and now they try to turn around to go back up again. So it means that they still hold up pretty strong at the level of support here, and those stocks they will be able to go up higher in the future if we have some vaccine to take care of coronavirus. Another one is Marriott Hotel, also they dropped down, but they follow support, and they hold up pretty strong here. Okay, the airline stock still have a struggle because it's more coronavirus, so they go nowhere. So they go sideways, but they're not going down, they're not going up, so they will stick into this area here until they give you a clear direction to be able to work out to continue to go higher. Okay, so today, based on the market, okay, I guide the people here when they get out of live trading room, the market to give me a second chance to get in. The first hour I have our member, and then after that they still give me a little bit more room here, so I jump in and take a quick trade for myself. So total net profit for today at $1,837.50. Okay, so that's good for today, and then tomorrow we do it again. Okay, everyone. So if you not subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that. So every time we have new video, I will notify you right away, so you know where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn so that you understand how to read the price chart by using modern technical analysis, so that you can do day trade or swing trade, so that you can make some extra daily income, as well as you can build your long-term portfolio, so that you can take care of your financial in the future. Please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you. Have a nice weekend. We will see you in next week weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.